Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can take 50 megapixel photos on your ASUS ROG Phone 6D. So to do this you have to open the photo mode, then click on this arrow, go to the settings, select camera resolution and then pick the 50 megapixel mode. Next just catch focus, take photo and let's see how it looks. Okay, it actually looks really bad, like without the focus, so let's do this one more time. Let's take a look right now. Okay, right now it looks definitely better. We can see right now a lot of details right here. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.